In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Octane Render for Cinema 4D using the official OTOY installer. This is the recommended method because it's fast, reliable, and it automatically puts every file exactly where it needs to go, so you don't have to dig through folders or guess at paths. Octane Render is a GPU-accelerated renderer, and using the official installer ensures all necessary components are placed correctly for performance, stability, and a smooth setup. To begin, download the installer. Head to your Otoy account on the web, go to the Downloads area, and select the latest Octane Render build specifically for Cinema 4D. Choose the installer that matches your operating system. It's smart to double-check compatibility in the release notes so the version of Octane Render aligns with your Cinema 4D version. Also, make sure you pick the Cinema 4D plugin package rather than the standalone build, unless you have a specific workflow that requires both. Save the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or downloads folder. Before you continue, close Cinema 4D to avoid any file locking issues, and make sure you have a stable internet connection and a bit of free disk space for the components. Next, run the installer you just downloaded. On Windows, launch the .exe. On macOS, open the .dmg or .pkg. Follow the on-screen prompts. The default options are perfect for most users. Accept the license agreement, and when prompted, confirm the Cinema 4D installation you use. If you have multiple versions installed, select the correct one so the plugin goes to the right place. If your system requests administrator permission, approve it so the installer can write to the application directories. You won't need to move anything by hand. The installer automatically copies the plugin files into the correct Cinema 4D folder structure and sets up the necessary components behind the scenes. If the path isn't detected automatically, simply browse to your Cinema 4D application folder when the installer asks. Once the installer finishes, that's it. The plugin files are already in place and ready to go. The next time you launch Cinema 4D, Octane Render will load during startup, making it available within your rendering options. If you later update Cinema 4D or want a newer Octane Render build, simply repeat this same process with the latest installer from your Otoy account. Keep the installer until you've confirmed everything works and make a quick note of the exact build you installed for future reference. And that's the entire process. Download the latest Octane Render installer from your Otoy account, run it, follow the prompts, and let it handle placement automatically for Cinema 4D. Thanks for watching and enjoy rendering with Octane.